Now, after studying this module, you shall be able to learn various conditions for the formation of molecular orbital. Learn about energy consideration of molecular orbital formation. Construct the molecular orbital diagram for ABT bent type of molecule, that is water molecule. Also construct the MO diagram for AB3 bent molecule. Here I will take ammonia molecule. Molecular orbital theory is a method for determining molecular structure in which electrons are not assigned to individual bonds between atoms but are treated as moving under the influence of the nuclei in the whole molecule. Molecular orbital is a function that describes the wave-like behavior of a single electron in a molecule. A polyelectronic wave function is expressed in terms of MO. In molecular orbital theory, it is assumed that the bonds between the central atom ion and ligands is essentially covalent, which is obtained by the overlapping of s p d orbital on central atom and ligand group orbitals LGOs of adequate symmetry on the attached ligands. Overlapping involves atomic orbitals of central atom and SALC of pendant atom orbitals. Pendant atom orbital means ligand atomic orbitals. It is necessary to distinguish between qualitative aspect, that is the symmetry of MO, and quantitative aspect, energy of MO. Group theory and molecular orbital molecular symmetry can help to a greater extent in constructing the qualitative picture of MO of the molecules or complex spaces. Hybridization is usually not the starting assumption for molecular orbital treatment of the molecule or complexes. We must know all linear combination of atomic orbitals of all the orbitals on all the atoms of the molecule or a complex. The mathematical construction of pendant atomic orbitals to form molecular orbital is called symmetry adapted linear combination of atomic orbitals, that is SALC of LGO. Symmetry and construction of molecular orbital. Molecular symmetry and group theory can be used to construct SALC of ligand group orbitals from pendant atomic orbitals. SALC of ligand group orbitals of right symmetry then can be matched with that of atomic orbitals or hybrid orbitals of central metal ion to give MO of the molecule or the complex under study. LGO means orbital of the pendant ligands are grouped together according to same symmetry. What are the various steps involved in formation of the molecular orbital? Following steps are involved in the formation of molecular orbital. Number 1, find the appropriate point group symmetry of the molecule. Find the symmetry properties of the atomic orbitals of the central atoms by making use of the character table of the point group. Do not consider the ligand individually, but use linear combination of the orbitals of the ligand corresponding to the symmetry of the molecule, that is the point group to which molecule belongs. Use the directional properties of the bonding orbitals. These can be single orbital, can be hybrid orbital of the type sp, sp2, sp3, etc. on the outer atoms, that is pendant ligand atoms, as a basis for the representation of SALC. Number 5, find reducible representation for all possible SALC by following the general procedure as described earlier, that is, say, shifting, unshifting, reversing of bond vectors used. Reduce the reducible representation to irreducible representation to find the symmetry species of SALC of LGOs. The number of SALC must be equal to the number of basis vector corresponding to each bonding orbital taken for finding reducible representation. Number 7. Allow overlapping of the central metal ions atomic orbital oblique hybrid orbital with pendant ligand atoms SALC of the same symmetry species belonging to the same irreducible representation. Only orbitals of the same symmetry on central atom and SALC on the pendant atom can interact to give maximum overlapping of the orbital atom. Number 8. In case if there is no symmetry match, atomic orbitals or hybrid orbitals of central atom and SALC of the ligand group orbitals have unique symmetry, formation of non-bonding MO will be there. This approach is different from that of localized molecular orbital approach. In localized MO approach, MO are considered to be localized between the individual bonds, that is two central localized MO. Delocalized MO approach is more general and gives satisfactory result even when applied to coordinate compound. For overlapping point of view, following general guidelines may be taken into account. Following general guidelines may be used for finding relative energies of MO. Number A. Bonding MO always lie lower in energy than the non-bonding or non-bonding MO. Anti-bonding orbitals lie at higher energy. Non-bonding MOs have energy between that of bonding and anti-bonding orbitals. Pi interaction have less effective overlap than sigma overlap. Pi bonding MO thus have higher energy than sigma bonding MO found from similar atomic orbitals. Pi stars bonding MO are less antibonding and have lower energy than sigma star antibonding MO formed from similar atomic orbital. E. MO energy rises as the number of nodes in molecular orbital increases. MO with no nodes will be of lowest in energy. MO with high number of nodes will have highest energy. Among sigma bonding MOs, those belonging to the totally symmetric irreducible representation will be of lowest energy. Now, all that required is to construct ligand group orbital, that is SALC of LGO, by means of projection operators and combine them properly, match the right symmetry with atomic orbitals of central atom oblique ion. This approach is valid both for sigma bonding and pi bonding system. The ligand group orbitals LGOs, that is SALC of LGO, must meet the following conditions. Ligand group orbitals must be close in energy to the atomic orbital or hybrid orbital of the metal ion. The overlap of LGO and atomic orbital, hybrid orbital of central atom should be substantial. These are simply the guidelines. There are many common examples in which overlapping between orbitals of very different energies are possible for ABN type of molecule. We consider only the valence orbitals of all atoms, central as well as pendant atoms, because the influence of filled low-lying inner orbital or empty or high-lying outer orbital is relatively very small. After saying something about the various conditions, let us take the actual example, formation of molecular orbital diagram for Ab2 type of bent molecule. Let us take the example of water molecule and follow the steps as described. In this category, let us take the example of water molecule. Steps involved in the procedure. What is the point group of this molecule? The central atom is oxygen. Oxygen has electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Thus, the valence atomic orbitals are 1 2s orbital, 3p orbital, that is 4 valence orbitals are there. The symmetries of these atomic orbitals under C2v point groups can be obtained from the character table of C2v point group. Now, as the water molecule belongs to C2v point group, this is water molecule, it has two OH bonds over here and it has C2 axis, then YZ plane, then XZ plane, and we have to now find the symmetry of the atomic orbital of oxygen under the C2v point group to which this molecule belongs, and the results are summarized in the tabular form over here. S orbital on oxygen is of A1 type, that is they are A1 type orbital. Px is B1 type, that is orbital are B1 type orbital. Py it is B2 type and the orbital is B2 type. Pz is A1, that is orbital is A1 type. Now here there is one more important point. The orbital on the pendant ligand are written with smaller letter and symmetry is shown by capital letter. For example, S is capital A1 and the orbital is of small a1 type. Similarly, Px has the symmetry B1 and the orbital is B1 type. That is, orbitals are represented by small letters and their symmetries are represented by capital letters. So, we are having now the oxygen atom and their symmetry and type of symmetry orbitals. Now, step 3, the basis set for the representations are two OH bonds R1 and R2, that is over here, and we will see the effect of symmetry operations of this C2b point group on these bond vectors. That is C2 it shifted all them, sigma yz all are lying into the plane, sigma xz both are shifted, E it is not shifted. Like this we will see the effect of symmetry operation on these molecules. And after seeing the effect, we will find the effect is shown in the figure over here and the results are summarized over here, and we will take the same general rule, vector which is unshifted contributes chi is equal to +1, the vector which is shifted contributes chi is equal to 0, the vector which is unshifted but only direction is reverse contributes -1. So, looking into this, the results are summarized as unshifted vectors 2 0 0 2. Multiplication factors are given and then tau TR is 2002 and this tau R can be reduced to A1 plus B2. It means the ligand group orbital must be of small a1, small b2 type orbitals. Step 4. Using projection operator corresponding to a1 and b2, that is a1p, b2p on r1 and r2 orbital functions, we can get the SALC of LGOs, that is 2s orbital fragments of 2 hydrogen atoms, and summarizes the effect of A1p, B2p on R1, R2 orbital functions over here, that is how they behave, and Then by making use of the projection operator, A1PR1 gives SALC, normalize SALC as 1 upon under root 2 R1 plus R2. A1P applied on R2 gives the same result. Now if we apply B2P on R1, we get the normalized function as 1 upon under root 2 R1 minus R2. All these results have been discussed in earlier module. So the psi h is equal to 1 upon under root 2 R1 plus R2. Psi star h is equal to 1 upon under root 2 R1 minus R2. One s orbital in oxygen is completely filled up. It will not be considered for qualitative MO formation of water molecule. The 2s orbital in oxygen are also completely filled up and are of low energy. Then 2p orbital. Using LGO A1 and B2 type on the right hand side of the diagram, and symmetry of the atomic orbitals of the oxygen atom on the left hand side, and matching this symmetry and taking into the energy consideration, the MO diagram for water molecule may be shown as shown into the figure 3. Now in figure 3 what we have seen, on the left hand side there are oxygen 1s, 2s, then we are having 2pz, 2py, 2x, and the orbitals are of the type A1, 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 B2, B1. Similarly, on the right hand side, LGOs of 2 hydrogens are of type A1 plus B2, and that is these are A1 and B2. Now we match the symmetry of these, and then we find that when atomic orbitals they overlap, we get bonding and anti-bonding, or we get non-bonding, and like this we are having the orbitals as A1, then 1A1, 1B2, 2A1, 1B1, 3A1, 3B2. These are the molecular orbitals, and filling of the electrons in MO of the water molecule is also shown. This is a qualitative picture of molecular orbital diagram of water molecule. That is, various orbitals are shown over here have the relative energies only, not exact energies are shown over here. Now, after studying this, we can go now for another type of ABN type of molecule, that is AB3 type molecule. And here we can take again a simple example, pyramidal molecule, ammonia molecule, and follow the above procedure as described. Step 1, let us take the molecule ammonia. It belongs to C3V point group, that is this my ammonia. This is C3 axis over here, that is I can rotate about this molecule. And these are the 3 NH bonds into this molecule. This has this C3 axis and 3 sigma V's, one like this, another like this, and 3 like this. So we will take this molecule and see the effect of the symmetry operation on these 3 NH bonds, and then we will make use of these for finding the molecular orbital diagram. So the molecule belongs to C3V point group. In the second step, let us look the central atom nitrogen, and the electronic configuration of it is this 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Thus the valence atomic orbitals are 1 2s orbital and 3 p orbital, that is 4 orbitals. The symmetries of the atomic orbitals under C3V symmetries now can be obtained or can be read from the character table of C3V point group, and these are given as shown over here. That is, we take the character table and then we go for the symmetry of this over here. S orbital belongs to A1 symmetry, that is it is small a1 type orbital. px orbital and py orbital, they belong to E symmetry, that is these are small e type of orbit. Pz is again of A1 type, that is it is small a1 type of orbital. Now in step 3, let us take R1, R2, R3, that is 3 NH bond as the basis, and find out the tau reducible, and then after doing this, the effect of symmetry operations are shown in the figure, that is you can verify under E none of the NH bond is shifted, under C3 all the bond vectors are shifted, under sigma V only one bond vector is not shifted. And again, making use of the general rule, that is the vector shifted contributes chi is equal to 0, vector not shifted contribute chi is equal to +1, vector not shifted only direction is changed contribute -1. Following this, we find unshifted vector under E is 3, unshifted vector under C3 is 0, unshifted vector under sigma E is 1. So the tau NH is 301. Tau NH can be reduced by following the general reduction formula 2 as tau NH is equal to A1 plus E. It means that the fragment S3 of 3 pendant hydrogens have the symmetry of the type A1 plus E, that is these are small a1 plus E type of orbitals. One s orbital in nitrogen is completely filled up, and it will not be considered for qualitative MO formation for ammonia molecule. Thus 2s orbital in nitrogen are also completely filled up and are of low energy than p orbital. Using ligand group orbitals of the type A1 and E on the right hand side of the diagram, and symmetry of the atomic orbitals of nitrogen atom on the left hand side, and matching the symmetry and taking into energy considerations, the MO diagram for ammonia molecules may be constructed as shown in the diagram. Now in this diagram, what we are noting, on the left hand side nitrogen is there, the orbitals are 1s, 2s, 2pz, 2py, 2x, and orbitals are A1, A1, A1 and E. On the right hand side, LGOs of 3 hydrogens are A1 and E type, and after matching, what we find, we get bonding and anti-bonding molecular orbitals and also non-bonding atomic orbitals, and these are filled up as per rules, that is 2 electrons per molecular orbitals. And the qualitative picture of MO diagram of ammonia is shown over here, and again in this it is a qualitative picture only, that is the MOs are shown relatively in their inertia. Now after studying this module, we have obtained the various conditions for the formation of MO, that is what are the various conditions in which the MOs can be formed, various energy consideration of molecular orbital formation. That is, we have considered the various conditions for formation of molecular orbitals. Construction of molecular orbital diagram for AB2 bent molecules, that are water molecule is taken, and the various steps involved in this formation of MOs are also stated and explained properly. Construction of MO diagram for AB3 pyramidal molecule like ammonia molecule is again explained by following the various steps at each and every point. Now all these MOs so developed, they are only qualitative MO diagrams, that is the MO which are formed are shown relative in their energy, exact energy is not shown in these qualitative MO diagrams.